Get off top of the food. Get off top of the
Chicken
food.
game.
Get off top of the food. Get off the top of the food. Get off the top of the
Emma, just let them be chickens.
on top of the food.
And we have no water. Can I go get some?
Need a break. Oh, he's tearing up one that has water in it.
It fell off the table.
See that one?
Dumped water in.
Yeah, why don't you take Emma with you?
No!
You can get away from the chickens.
I am not taking my hand off these.
Grandpa and Grandma need our help to move those chairs and get the other chairs in.
So they got them already?
No, they're getting them tomorrow. They paid for them today, they're picking them up tomorrow, they
Is
said.
that their poop?
Well, it's whatever is in there.
Their poop is liquid.
Like that's poop, isn't it?
No, that's a chunk of.
Get out of the water.
Maybe his feet are hot.
Okay, I'll let him.
Hey, don't. Don't.
All right, Emma, right now, stop touching them.
You're freaking us out, okay?
You
Just
got,
watch them for a while. You have no self-control.
should have got the other one that they couldn't poop on. The other feeder. That doesn't allow them to step in it.
You gotta stick your hand in.
So I think we'll be kinda
Well, this will be hanging once we get it out in the.
Emma? One more time and you're going to your room. Jeez.
That's why we got the hanging one. Keep the lace out of it and.
You need to hang them to keep them away from Emma. Poor things. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you just need to settle down, honey. Get all emotional. Just watch him for a little bit, okay?
Where's like TT?
Why don't you go get yourself a nice cold drink or something? You feel hot.
Oh, dear. Can I go in the car and get a drink?
Did you leave it in there? Yes, you can. Be careful. Don't bump any light things because then my thing will go.
They think it's a heat.
I think it's interesting and shiny.
So what are the black ones?
Dominique's.
Dominique.
They're pretty cool looking when they're big chickens.
Are they
They're black and white speckled looking. Yeah. That was just kind of a